Hi friends, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about T-Text Editor. T-Text Editor is an open source text editor application which is written in C++ programming language. Its graphical user interface is developed in Qt. It acts as a text editor and word processor for both Linux and Windows platform. Some of the features are it is a small and lightweight. It checks for spelling mistakes. It has inbuilt with a calendar and organizer and also inbuilt with zip or unzip. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install text editor on PopOS. For installing text editor, you have to update a repository using a command apt-get update. After updating a repository, now we are going to install T editor using a command apt-get install t-data. After installing, to check, go to activities and then type T. It will show the application icon. Just click the icon to open. It opens the T editor application. In here you have a manuals and then calendars and options, other options in have inbuilt in this editor, and then we can easily choose the files, and then editor we can easily edit the text files. This is about T editor. I hope this video will get your knowledge about how to install a T text editor on PopOS. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.